Hello, my dear boys and girls. A very good evening to all of you. I hope you're all doing great and you're all excited about the mock test today, which is your JEE Mains as well as your BITSAT mock test. So, my dear boys and my dear girls, are you excited for this? How many of you are looking forward to the beautiful questions which I'm going to discuss today? Hello, Santosh. Hi, Science Priya. Very good evening. Pranav is also here. Shruti is here. Akshay is here. Akshay, welcome man. Very nice to have you. Aishwarya, very good evening, Aishwarya. Clay Tsunami is very hyped. That's awesome. That's exactly what I want. And today's question will match your level. Okay, it will match your expectation because I have brought some very good quality questions. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started, people. So this is your rank booster series for those who are preparing for 2021 JEE Mains examination. It can give you the final push that you are looking for. Okay, and it is mock test. It is going to contain 14 questions and all of them are very good level. Okay, all of them are good level. It will teach you something and I will make sure you guys follow it. Okay, absolutely, Clay Tsunami. The questions are very tricky. Heshwita, welcome. Nidhi Govind, welcome. Atharv Aras, welcome Atharv. Ridan Ridu, yes, I will tell you what topics are very important to score 60 plus marks in JEE Mains. But people, tonight Shreyas sir is taking a video on that. Shreyas sir is gonna tell the important topics which can help you score 60 marks in all the 3 subjects. So please attend that strategy session. It might be a very good blessing for you. Got it? And Sailaja, I will talk about the crash course at the end of the class and maybe briefly in the beginning because I don't want to waste your time and I think some of you might be wanting to get to questions very fast. So shall we get started, people? Are you all ready? Perfect. So most of you guys are already aware of who I am, but those who came here for the very first time, boys and girls, I would love to know you and I would love to have a very good relationship with all of you, even after you pass out, even after you finish 12th. Because I believe as a teacher, my role is to guide you guys for a very long time. Okay, so do maintain touch. I would really appreciate that. And for those who are new to this channel, my name is Shimon Joseph, guys. Okay, so I teach mathematics at Vedantu and I teach for 11th and 12th standard. So if you are a 11th and 12th standard student, then you are at the right place, especially if you are preparing for engineering entrance exam. So we teach for IIT JEE Mains, IIT JEE Advanced, KVPY, VIT, BITSAT, SRM, all exams which come under the engineering category, we will help you. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever we teachers come live to these classes. Okay, so make sure you do that. Talking about my background, I did my BTech from IIT. So yes, I was also like you. I prepared for many exams. When I wrote JEE Mains, I was a state topper. I got 99.95 percentile and an all India rank of 400. Okay, so that is my background. After that, I got into teaching and I've mentored so many students who have got top ranks. So that is why I'm here to help you realize your goal and maybe reach it in the shortest, sweetest path possible. Got it? So if you want to get in touch with me, you can message me on Instagram even after your exams are over. If you want to know, sir, I need help with counseling. What college should I choose? I got these 2 colleges, sir. Can you teach me which one to choose? You can reach out to me on Instagram. I will help you because I'm telling you, I'm warning you now, you will have problems. You will not be able to decide which one to choose. So in that way, we can help you. We will conduct guidance sessions in YouTube as well as in Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me over there. Okay. So people, now this is the most important slide. I hope all of you are aware of this channel. So this is JEE Enthuse. It is a channel which helps you prepare for engineering entrance exam in English. Okay, so that is the best part. You guys asked for it. Everybody wanted an English channel and Vedantu created this for you guys. So if you're enjoying it, make sure you subscribe. Let your juniors know, let your seniors know. So if you are in 2021 batch, then your juniors might be preparing, right? So let them know of our channel. That would be a great help you're doing to us because right now it is a very small channel and we want to grow it big. I hope you guys will help us with that. Hello Priyanka, very good Pranav. Pranav, I'm so glad you deserved it and you got it. I'm happy for you. Very good. JEE Mains, man. Harshit, so today's mock test will be oriented for JEE Mains. It can help you with BITSAT also. So let's get started, my dear boys and girls. I hope all of you are aware of the crash course. Sailaja, the crash course will revise all the important topics for your JEE Mains in a very short time. You have 10 days time. In 10 days, we'll cover the most important part which can help you get 60 marks easily. So if you are aiming for a mark of 60, let's say, this crash course can be a very good blessing for you. So 60 marks, this can help you achieve very easily. If you are a 99 percentiler, if you are 98 percentiler, then maybe you can avoid this. You can take the test series. But if you are 60 percentile, 70 percentile, 80 percentile, 90 percentile, 92 percentile, you can choose this. I'm telling you, it will be a benefit. Okay, so 4,000 is nothing compared to college fees. College fees, if you take VIT, very expensive. Any private college you take, it's expensive. So if this 4,000 can change your future, don't think about it too much. Go for it, is my opinion, my suggestion to all of you guys. This will include test series. If you buy the crash course, you don't have to get the test series. This includes the test series. Got it? Complete revision of important topics, maths, physics, chemistry, along with test series. I hope it's clear, Sailaja. The link will be there in the description. Just go below the video, click on that link and purchase it. As simple as that. I will teach you how to join it at the end of the class, not right now. Okay? Perfect. And for those who want only the test series, that also we have. Like I told you, Vedantu did not forget about you guys. In many places, 2021 batch is forgotten because the next batch has come. But we guys really work hard for you. We have, even put a pause to our 11th and 12th standard so that we can help you fully. I hope you realize all that. The efforts that Vedantu Enthuse team is taking for you. So make sure you benefit from it. And if you need help, take the test series, because test series will get yourself accustomed to the online environment. Because it is not easy to sit in front of a computer for 3 hours. You need to get used to it. So that is why the test series can help you. Vedantu's test series are exactly JEE Mains pattern. It is computer based and it can give you your All India rank. We will tell you this is the rank you might get based on the way you are performing. So all that information can be obtained over here in the test series. If you want to ask me something regarding this, you can message me on Instagram. Got it? And finally, this is the test series, and test series has even reduced in price. It was 1,000 rupees 2 days back. Now it's 800. Now it is 800. So it is starting from Monday. Monday means the coming Monday, which is on 11th or 12th. 12th, I guess, right? So 12th is Monday. So from Monday, you'll have the test series. If you want, please purchase it right now after the class. Got it? So shall we get started? How many of you are excited? Let it fire. Let it rain fire. Please do it, guys. Everybody. Hit the chat with a fire symbol. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a yo. And then we'll get started. And a very good evening to all my lovely ninjas, lovely boys and girls. I'm so grateful and I'm so happy to have all of you here. I hope I make a difference in your life in the next 1.5 hours. Okay? I don't want to waste your time. The next 1.5 hours which you spend with me, I will ensure that you improve and you get something out of this. So shall we get started? Should we prepare separately for BITSAT? Harshit, not necessary. BITSAT is a bit more formula oriented. So if you can memorize all the formulas, summary of each chapter, that should be good enough. Is that clear, Harshit? And if we know the main concepts, can we get 60? No, not at all. Shreyash, you need to practice questions. So that is where your test series can help, your crash course can help. I told you that already. Check it out if you are interested. Got it? So let's move into it. The first question, here we go. Please solve it. It is something which I taught you recently. I asked you this in the previous mock test as well. I want all of you, my dear boys and girls, to try it out. All my lovely boys and girls, please try it out. I asked you in the previous mock test as well. Thank you, Anshika. That is so sweet of you. How many questions are there? 14 questions, Shruti. 14 questions. I have brought all brilliant questions. We have to do it fast because 7:30 Shreyas sir has a class. So I cannot eat up his class timing. So people, please try to be fast so that we can wind it up by 7:30. Got it? So everybody, come on people, let's do it. Exactly. Atif, I am so happy you remember it, Atif. You are awesome, man. Akshita, it will start once the results are out. It is too early for it to start, Akshita. You have to wait for it, okay? Because the board exam marks should come and then JEE Mains results also should come. They'll wait for it. After that only they'll start. Okay, don't worry about it. Very good, Sai Sahana. How many of you remember what I taught you? How many of you remember what I taught you for this? Everybody, please let me know, guys, boys and girls, every single person. Very good, Clay Tsunami, you're right. It is Euler's form. We have to use Euler's form. Kiran Kumar, welcome Kiran, and I'm so happy to have you here, Kiran. Okay, I hope you solved it. Please try it out. It's a good question. So people, this question is solved by using Euler's rule. Are you all aware of it? Let me show you how it is done. So first of all, this term I can write it as e to the power iota theta. This term I can write it as e to the power iota 3 theta. This term and so on I can write it as e to the power. Next will be what? E to the power iota 5 theta, and all the way up to e to the power iota 2r minus 1 theta. Are you all cool with it? How many of you agree with me on that? How many of you agree with me on that? Nothing peace. Many people will be writing UGEE examination because UGEE examination is very important. It gives you admission into IIIT, Hyderabad, and likewise colleges. So guys, please make sure you write it. It's a very good institute. I'm sure some of you can get into it if you prepare hard for it. Hello Saidulu, very good evening. I am also happy to see all of you. Welcome back. Exactly. Did you all like it? Nityashri, perfect. It's a very good question. So Shruti has answered. Very good, Shruti. Heshwita, very good, Heshwita. You guys are awesome. What about others? Harshavardhan Singh, no. It is not option B. Heshwita is correct. Shruti is correct. What about others? Are you all sleeping? Come on, guys, wake up. Hello? What are you doing? Try to tell me the answer. Ananya, very good evening, Ananya. Nice to have you here. Welcome back. So Akshita, I already told you TNEA counseling will start later, not right now. I will let you know, don't worry. Himavan Swami, welcome Himavan. Dheeraj Roy, Clay Tsunami, Gokulnath, Atharv, Sendil, I don't think that's correct, but anyway, we'll check it, Sendil. We'll check who is correct, okay? So guys, this, everything is multiplied. Whenever you multiply, let me teach you the basics. A to the power n into a to the power m. So whenever you multiply in exponents, that is a rule we studied in 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard. 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard, when we are watching Pogo and watching Power Rangers. So that time, what did they say? That is equal to a to the power m plus n. Is that correct? So when the base is same and you have powers and they are multiplied, you have to add the powers. Is that clear, everybody? Fantastic. So I'm going to do what? I'm going to do the same thing over here. The base everywhere is e. So I'm just going to add the powers. So it will be I theta plus I3 theta plus I5 theta plus all the way up to I into 2r minus 1 theta. Now I is common everywhere. So let's take I common. I'll have theta also common. I'll have 1 plus 3 plus 5 till 2r minus 1. So it's an AP, right? It's an AP. But we know this. The sum of the first r odd numbers is equal to r square. Do you know that? Do you know that? Pranav, yes, you can use cis theta format also, but I prefer Euler's form. I prefer Euler's form because that's easier to solve. So people, everybody, do you know this? The sum of first two odd numbers is equal to 2 square. The sum of first three odd numbers is equal to 3 square. Did you know this result? Amazing, na? Amazing, right? The first 4 odd numbers is 4 square. First 5 odd numbers is 5 square. And this is first r odd numbers. This is first r odd numbers. So the sum is equal to r square. So e to the power I theta r square is the summation. So the entire left hand side will become e to the power I theta r square. How many of you understood it? Is it beautiful? Very good, very good. Did you all like it? ABCD, did you understand it? Shivapriya, Amrita is a good college. Yes, Amrita, Shastra, SSN and Venkateshwara, and then you have VIT, SRM, everything is good, but it depends on what you are comparing with. Okay, so that is what you have to think about, Shreya. Okay, Shivapriya. So people, shall I move forward? Everybody, are you all clear with this, my dear boys and girls? Very good, fantastic. So now the left hand side will become what? The left hand side will become e to the power I theta r square. Is that correct? So that is equal to 1. What is 1? 1 is e to the power I into 0. Is that correct? Are you all clear with that? or I can say e to the power I into, you can say 2n pi, because 2n pi will always give me 1. Is that correct? Because cos 2n pi plus iota sine 2n pi is always equal to 1. So that is why I can write it like this. So 2n pi and theta r square are equal. So theta r square is equal to 2n pi. So you can get what is theta. So theta is 2n pi by r square, which is option D. Did you enjoy it? How good was this question? Amazing. Amazing. Shiv Nadar University is good? Absolutely. I think you're talking about SSN, right? SSN is a good college. Absolutely. Pramesh, did you like it? Very good, Pramesh. PSK Sendil is very good. Awesome. Very good, Shruti. So option D was absolutely right, guys. Neela Lohit, Shiva, I hope you enjoyed it. Did you like this question? Shall we move forward? Can you all give me a thumbs up? Can you all give me a yo? Shreya, very good, Shreya. I am so happy you liked it. Great job. Ananya, great. Is lower branches in NIT a good option? Shreyas, depends on what NIT. If you are getting a lower branch in NIT Trichy, NIT Warangal, NIT Surathkal, okay, I can compromise. But not in a lower NIT. Lower branch in a lower NIT, I would not prefer it. Instead, I'll go for a better branch. Understood? So think about it. That's how you have to go about counseling. I'll make a separate video on counseling, guys. Right now, let's not get distracted. Let's come back to studies. We will try to solve these 14 questions very fast. Are you all happy with this? Shall I move forward? Great. So now let's go forward to the next one, guys. Everybody. So this is a solution. I always attach my solution so that you guys can go through it later on. And these solutions will be available as PDF in the Telegram group. So guys, in case you have not joined our Telegram group for Enthuse channel, please do that. The link will be below in the description. There you will get all the session PDF, whatever post, whatever update you get, you will get it first. Clear? So people, let's go to the second question. Are you all ready? How many of you are excited? 60 minutes and 13 questions to go. Why not? We can do it as a team. Come on people, everyone. Shreya, NIT Calicut, very good institute, very good. I hope you get into it. It is a good place to study. Fantastic. So people, shall we move forward? Very good. So let's go. This is the second one. Everybody please try to solve it. It is from inverse trigonometry. It is from the chapter of inverse trigonometry. I'm going to show you how to solve it. Again, a beautiful question using properties of algebra, algebraic identities. So try to use that and solve it. Very good, Aishwarya. Fantastic. Sivarajan, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Welcome, man. Exactly, Shruti. We'll go fast. Don't worry. So people, any doubts here? A square minus B square formula. Shreyash, very good, Shreyash. Absolutely. So first you have to do A square minus B square. So use that property. A square minus B square is what? A minus B into A plus B. So use that and then solve it, my dear children. I'm sure you will get it. Vindhya Shri, BTech in NIT Delhi. Yes, why not? It's a good field. You can definitely try it. It's a good institute as well. Rahul Aravind, we are planning to do that. Rahul, tomorrow Sunday. Guys, do you all know that? Tomorrow night, entire coordinate geometry marathon. How many of you are excited about it? I don't know whether I'll be able to do it with this voice. My throat is gone already. But I'm planning to do it tomorrow night. Entire coordinate geometry revision from 6 o'clock in the night. So 6 o'clock in the evening tomorrow till 9 o'clock. So I'll do it for 3 hours or more than that. Please make sure you come. I will revise the entire coordinate geometry. Maybe you will get 1 or 2 questions from there. I'm telling you, it is very much possible. Got it? So make sure you mark your calendars and come there without fail. Now, let's solve this question. What is A square minus B square? Let me teach you from scratch. A square minus B square, my dear boys and girls, is nothing but A plus B into A minus B. Is that right? Very simple. This I'm sure everybody knows. If you're a student who's preparing for engineering, who is in 12th standard, you're supposed to know this. I hope you're all aware of it. If not, Anda only. Anda will come flying. Okay, so make sure you go and study that. So it will be what? Cos inverse of x plus sin inverse of x into cos inverse of x minus sin inverse of x. Is that clear, guys? Everybody? So that is your function. Let's take it as f of x. Let's take it as some function. Now, what is this, my dear children? Cos inverse of x plus sin inverse of x is pi by 2. Are you all aware of that? Heshwita, you are awesome, Heshwita. Ruchita, no Ruchita, small mistake. Check it, check it, check it. Guys, are you all clear with this? So this is nothing but pi by 2 because we know inverse trigonometry property, sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is a constant. It is pi by 2. And this will be what? Can I write cos inverse of x as pi by 2 minus sin inverse of x? So I can write cos inverse of x as pi by 2 minus sin inverse of x minus sin inverse of x. I simplified it in a beautiful manner. Jian Gigi, welcome Jian Gigi. I am very happy to have you here. Kirtana, very good Kirtana. Lakshmi Narayanan, I am glad you are learning some new stuff. Every question what I brought today, Kirtana, will teach you something interesting. I guarantee you that. All the questions which I have brought today, they're all exceptionally good. Okay, you will realize it as I keep solving. Everybody good? Asha, Nazim, very good Asha. Gokulnath, it is not B. Asha, you are correct Asha. Shruti, you are correct Shruti. Very good. Okay. So people, let's try to solve it. Shreyash, you cannot use maxima minima here, man. Look at it. It's a very complicated function. And if you use maxima minima, you will have to end up spending more time. But the way I solve it, you will enjoy it. Just watch. So now, can I rewrite this as pi by 2 into, can I say it is pi by 2 minus 2 sin inverse of x? Are you all cool with that? Everybody? So can I say that? So did I simplify it in a very beautiful fashion? Can I simplify it in a beautiful fashion? Did you all like it? Everybody? Awesome, right? Hello Tanusha Somu. Very good Tanusha Somu, you are right. Okay. Now let's break it down. Now guys, this will be maximum when this is minimum, because sin inverse minimum value is what? See, sin inverse can belong to what? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Is that correct? So if you want this product to be maximum, if you want f of x to be maximum, then sin inverse x will be minus pi by 2. Can you all understand that? Can you all understand that? If f of x has to be maximum, then sin inverse of x will be minus pi by 2. How many of you understand that? Can you all give me a thumbs up? Can you all give me a yo? Everybody, please let me know. Shubham, BITSAT mock test is going on. So this is JEE Mains and BITSAT mock test. Please use it. And if you want crash course, Vedantu has a crash course which is 4,000 rupees. I will show you how to join it. Okay. I will show you how to join it. Okay. At the end of the class, not right now. So people, are you all happy with this? Did you all like it? Very good. Very good. Fantastic. So now if f of x should be minimum, then the value will be pi by 2 into, so that will be when sin x is maximum, sin inverse of x is maximum. So that will be what? Pi by 2 minus 2 into pi by 2. Is that clear? So what is the maximum value? The maximum value will be, this will be 3 pi square by 4, and this will be what? Minus pi square by 4. Is that all right? So what is the ratio of maximum by minimum? The ratio of maximum by minimum is minus 3. How many of you enjoyed it? How many of you enjoyed it? Vandavasu Lakshmi, I'll explain it again, don't worry. What is the doubt you have? Let me know in the chat. I hope you guys are enjoying it. So this is a brilliant question. It can come up in your JEE Mains, guys, because everybody is scared of inverse trigonometry. The moment you get an inverse trigonometry question, what do? You leave it and go to the next one, thinking that there are other easy questions. But in fact, you know what? This itself was an easy question. Got it? Hello Ankit, welcome man. No problem. I am happy that you at least came to the session. Fantastic. Okay, so Vandavasu Lakshmi, please listen very clearly. I'll explain it. So first, Lakshmi, what I did was I simplified this expression. I got f of x to be equal to this expression. That is the first step, Lakshmi, that you have to do. So that is what I did using the algebraic identity. For example, you have a square minus b square. What is that? A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Got it? So that is what I've done. And then I simplified it. I got this beautiful expression. Are you all clear? Fantastic. Now, so you have pi by 2. That's a constant. Leave it. So now, if you want f of x to be maximum, we want the least and greatest values, right? So if you want f of x to be maximum, my dear children, you want this particular term to be maximum. if negative of 2 sin x should be maximum, then sin inverse of x should be minimum. So for maximum value of the function, this term sin inverse of x should be minimum. We know that the range of sin inverse of x is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. We know that the range of sin inverse of x is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So when will sin inverse of x be minimum? It will be minimum when x is minus 1. When x is minus 1, it will be minus pi by 2. So put minus pi by 2. So that will be minus into minus, it will become plus, it will be a very large value. So that is why it is called as maximum value. When will f of x be minimum? F of x will be minimum when you are subtracting something large. When you are subtracting something large. Are you all clear? Everybody. So I'll explain it once again. See, the f of x is, let me explain it. I'll take a different approach because I am not leaving you guys. I am not leaving you guys until you understand it. Okay? At least majority should understand. So now, this is what we have. Everybody clear with this? Okay? Everybody clear with this? SRM Kuti, and then we have Panay Mayam, Siluvai, Kirti, Gokulnath. I hope all of you are clear with this. VG, till here everybody knows. I hope till here you followed. If you did not follow this, then pull the video back and watch it again. Now, after this guys, if you want the greatest value, this is a positive quantity, this is a positive quantity, but I'm subtracting something from the positive. So if you want greatest value, I want this value to be maximum. How can I maximize this? Now, sin inverse x will belong to what? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So we have subtraction of sin inverse. So to maximize this, sin inverse has to be negative because minus of minus will become positive. Got it? Minus of minus will become positive. And then in the negative side, it has to be as high as possible. So in the negative side, if it has to be as high as possible, it will be minus pi by 2. That's it. So when sin inverse of x is minus pi by 2, you will have the maximum value. Similarly, same reasoning for the next one. Same reasoning for the minimum value. So minimum value, what will you do? 1 second guys, I'm done with it. I think people have got it. Okay. So if you want the minimum value, my dear children, this one, right? It should be as low as possible. Because this is positive quantity, this is positive quantity. You're subtracting something. So you need to subtract something as small as possible. So I want to subtract and whatever result I have should be as small as possible. So for that, this quantity must be a very large number. So I should subtract a very large number because only then overall the result will be very small and you will get the minimum value. So I need to subtract a large number. What is the largest number it can take? The largest number it can take is pi by 2. So I will make sure sin inverse of x is pi by 2 because this is the largest number I can subtract and that will lead to minimum value. Understood? Did you like it? I'm so happy that you guys got it. Okay, so people, let's rush to it. Let's rush to the next question. So the solutions are all attached. I hope everybody has got it. Exactly, Shreya Singh. Very good, Mukund. I'm so glad you guys enjoyed it. Very good, Vandavasu Lakshmi. Fantastic. So here we go, people. This is the next question. I hope everybody will solve it. Again, a brilliant one. Again, a very, very brilliant question. Yes, Shreyas, we can use logic here and solve it. You are absolutely right. Okay, so people, everybody try to solve it, then we'll move forward. Come on, guys. What do you think of VIT Bhopal? VIT Bhopal is also good. Yes, but again, what are you comparing it with? BITS is greater than VIT Vellore. Yes, that's correct. Oh, you are asking, is it very, very great? BITS Pilani, Computer Science and Electrical are very, very great compared to VIT Vellore. But if you take BITS Goa, maybe VIT Vellore Computer Science is equivalent. Okay, because VIT is still good, it is renowned, it has brand value. Got it? Hello Vela Krishnan, welcome. So people, shall we solve it? This is a brilliant question. Guys, it is not a plane passing through intersection of two planes. No. It is not a plane passing through intersection of two planes. It is plane passing through intersection of two lines. So these two are lines, my dear. These two are lines. So you have two lines like this they have a point of intersection. Now you have to find the plane which passes through this point and is at a farthest distance from origin. It is at the farthest distance from origin. So what will be the normal of the plane? This line will be the normal. So the plane should be like this. The plane should be somewhat like this, so that this line is the normal. Are you all clear? So the line joining the point of intersection to the origin will become the normal. Did you all understand that? Such a fantastic question. Such a fantastic question. I hope you realized it. No, you cannot use family of lines. You cannot use family of straight lines or family of planes. No, that is not the concept asked here. Kavyanshi Rajput, welcome Kavyanshi, no problem. I am glad you came here. No, you cannot use bisector method. Guys, you want it to be farthest from the origin. So it will be farthest from the origin if this line, that is the point of intersection and the origin, will be the normal for the plane. Why? Because if this is not the normal, then the shortest distance between origin and the plane will be lesser than this distance. Do you all understand that? How many of you can visualize that? How many of you can visualize that? We want the plane to be at the greatest distance from 0, 0, 0. We want the plane to be at greatest distance from the origin. That will happen only when the origin to the point of intersection becomes the normal. Because if this is not the normal, then it will not be at the greatest distance. It will not be at the greatest distance. Are you all happy with it? Such a fantastic point, guys. This is frequently tested. It is frequently tested in JEE Mains. Now, origin is known. What do you need? You just have to solve the point of intersection. You get the point of intersection, you are done. Over. Question is khatam. You get the point of intersection, you are done. Very good. Now, let's try to solve and find out the point of intersection. How do we do that? First of all, any general point on this. Any general point on this, how do you find out? X minus 1 by 3 is equal to y minus 2 by 1 is equal to z minus 3 by 2 is equal to lambda. So what will be x? X is equal to 3 lambda plus 1. Y is equal to lambda plus 2. And z is equal to 2 lambda plus 3. Are you all cool with that? So this is any general point on line 1. Now, if it is a point of intersection, this point, my dear students, should satisfy the second equation. Are you all able to visualize that? If this is the point of intersection, this point should satisfy the second equation also. Can you all let me know with a thumbs up, with a yo? Please do. Please do. Please do. Everyone. Fantastic, Sai. So let's put it back here. So x is 3 lambda plus 1. Put it there. So 3 lambda plus 1 minus 3 by 2 is equal to y is what? Lambda plus 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to z is what? Z is 2 lambda plus 3 minus 2 by 3. Now solve and tell me what is lambda. Are you getting lambda equal to 1? Can you all do that? Can you all do that, everybody? Please tell me, are you getting lambda equal to 1? Temina, I'll explain it again, Temina, don't worry. I'll explain it again so that everybody can follow. It's a very beautiful question. It's a very beautiful question. Very good. Lambda equal to 1. Everybody got it? Vindhyashri, Heshwita, Saransh. Very good, Saransh. Geeta, Anirudh. Fantastic. Sai, Nikhilesh. Very good, guys. You're all awesome. You're all awesome. So now, if lambda equal to 1, put it here. You will get the point as 3 into 1 plus 1, 4. Y is 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. So 4, 3, 5 is the point. Everybody cool with that? So let's erase all the other stuff. All the other stuff. Now, we have two lines. They are meeting at 4, 3, 5. Now, the plane should be at greatest distance from the origin. It should be at greatest distance from the origin. And the plane has to pass through this point. It has to pass through this point. How will it be? It will be in such a way that the distance between the point and the origin will become the normal to the plane. It will be the normal to the plane. So what is the direction of the normal? Direction ratio of the normal is 4i cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. So this is the direction of the normal and this is the point. So how do you find it out? Very easy. So 4 into x minus 4 plus 3 into x minus 3 plus 5 into z minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is y minus 3, right? Yeah. That's it. This is your answer. Can you all finish it off? So what is the answer? The answer is option B. How many of you enjoyed it? Did you all like it? Very good, very good. Absolutely. Sharath, you are absolutely right, Sharath. Good job. Good job, good job. Are you all happy with it, guys? The normal will pass through the origin. The normal to the plane from this point will pass through the origin. That is when the distance is maximum. So the hint is here, guys. The greatest distance from the origin, right? That will happen when the origin to this point will be the normal direction. That is when it is greatest distance. That you have to visualize. If you're not getting it, I know some of you will still have problem, but guys, you have to visualize it. How did we get lambda equal to 1? You solved it, Gaurav. There are 3 equations. No, take 2 of them and solve it. Just solve by taking 2 equality and then you will get the value of lambda, Gaurav. You try it out. You will easily get it. Okay. So some of you have checked options. Very good. You guys are awesome. Fantastic. Very good. Aditya, congrats Aditya. That is a good department. I'm sure you will have a great time. So people, I hope everybody liked it. Ashwita, Temina, I hope you understood it. So I took 2 lines, Temina. That is a 2 line. So this is 1 line, this is another line. So they are meeting at a point and you want a plane to pass through this. You want a plane to pass through this such that its distance from the origin is maximum. See, Temina, if a plane is passing through this, guys, if a plane is passing through this, it can be like this, like this. The plane should pass through this point. So this point is the pivot point. For sure, it has to pass through this. So I can have a plane like this, like this, like this, and so on. But at what point will it be maximum distance from the origin? So if I take a plane like this, Temina, the shortest distance will be this distance, right? From the origin. So this is very small. It is very near to the origin. So when it will be greatest distance? It will be greatest distance when it will be at the greatest distance when the plane is such a way that the line joining the point to the origin, is perpendicular to the plane. That is when it will be maximum. That is when the distance between the plane and the origin will be maximum. Got it? Because if you choose any other orientation of plane, the shortest distance, that is the distance between the plane and the origin, will be lesser than this. But we want the greatest distance, right? The greatest distance is when you consider this point. That is what I did. I hope the explanation is clear. I hope you guys liked it. How did we get 50? ABCD, you have to solve, man. Okay, you have to solve. Now you're coming here. You have to put your pen to paper. You cannot expect spoon feeding. Got it? You have to solve it. So ABCD, I'll show you so that you know what is your mistake. So that you know. And you don't ask me again. Okay, I'm not scolding you, don't feel bad. I'm just showing you what you asked and why it is wrong. Okay? Because I want to make sure others don't do that. So guys, I gave you this and people are asking how this came. Is it an acceptable doubt? You are writing JEE Mains in 1 week time. If you are not able to simplify this to this, then I have got a problem. Okay, so please guys, come on, take your pen. You need to listen and you need to solve also. You need to solve, okay. So 4x minus 16 plus 3y minus 9 plus 5z minus 25 is equal to 0. So take all the constant to the other side. You will get 4x plus 3y plus 5z is equal to 50. That's how we solve it, okay. I hope you guys got it. Fantastic. So let's go to the next one. Here we go, boys and girls, please try it out. Beggar and coin method, very easy, straightforward. But there is a catch. X is greater than or equal to minus 1. Y is greater than or equal to minus 1. Z is greater than or equal to minus 1. And T is also greater than or equal to minus 1. And we have what? We have X plus Y plus Z plus T is equal to 20. Okay. You can use beggar and coin, but beggar and coin can be used only when you have non-negative integer solution. Beggar and coin can be used only when you have non-negative integer solutions. But here you have what? You have negative integers also. So how do you handle that? That is what you have to think about. Please do it. Very good, Shreyash. Pramesh, I think you're right, Pramesh. We'll check it. Everybody, please do it, guys. Come on. I want maximum participation. We assume XYZ as something. Perfect, Shreyas. You are right. How is EIE in VIT Vellore? VIT Vellore is a good college, man. It has good value. It has good branding. So I would say go for it if you have that as your best choice. If that is your best choice, go for it. Shiva Prasad, very good. Let's check it. Let's check it. ABCD is saying B. Ananya is saying B. Shiva Prasad is very confident. Very good, Sharath Veed. So Sharath, you will take x plus 1 as greater than equal to 0, y plus 1 as greater than equal to 0, z plus 1 as greater than equal to 0, and t plus 1 as greater than equal to 0. So this is non-negative integer, which beggar and coin can work. Non-negative integer, non-negative integer, non-negative integer, very good. But x plus 1. So what I'll do, I'll add 1, I'll add 1, I'll add 1, I'll add 1, I'll add 4. Now you will get x plus 1 as one variable, plus y plus 1 another variable, plus t plus 1 another variable, plus z plus 1 another variable is equal to 24. So let's call this as some A, let's call this as B, let's call this as C, let's call this as D equal to 24. Now you can use beggar and coin method. What is beggar and coin method? Beggar and coin method is what? It is nothing but n plus r minus 1, CR minus 1. So the answer is 27C3. So all those who said option D, you guys were awesome. Beggar and coin method says that if you have 1 beggar, 2 beggar, 3 beggar, 7 beggars, R beggars, and you have n coins, then the number of ways in which you can distribute is n plus r minus 1, CR minus 1. That's the formula. I hope you guys are aware of it. Make a note of it. Very important. It is useful to find the number of non-negative integer solutions for a given equation. Everybody cool with it? Shruti? No problem, Shruti, but I hope you understood it. That is the beauty of attending these classes. I told you, every question that I am bringing today is very good level. You will understand and learn something useful out of it. Okay? Very good ABCD. You are awesome. That's perfect. That's perfect. Gaurav, no problem. I hope you understood it. Shall I get going, guys, to the next question? All of you happy with it? Fantastic. So let's move forward to the next question, my dear boys and girls. Here we have it from mathematical reasoning. Please solve it, guys. Come on. Everybody, Manapalli Srinivas, session PDF will be uploaded after the class. You can get it either in YouTube or you can get it from our Telegram group. In both the places, I'll upload it. Don't worry. Okay? In both the places, I'll upload it. This is only for XYZ greater than 0. Yes, Shreyansh, you are absolutely right. Greater than or equal to 0. Got it? Pramesh, Shruti, hello Vaishnav, welcome Vaishnav, nice to have you here. Shruti, you are awesome. Kavyanshi, very good Kavyanshi. Sai Suhana, very good Sai Sahana, perfect. Zaim, Nisa, very good Zaim. Sai Niklesh, fantastic. Yes, Gaurav, Amrita is also a good college. Heshwita, fantastic. Shruti, Gopi Krishna, Inala, Clay Tsunami, Saransh, please check it, Saransh. It is not correct. Shreyash is right. Ayman is right. Shweta, no Shweta. The answer is option B. Okay, the answer is option B. I'll show you how. So Shweta, this is a conditional statement. Okay, so this is what I call as the first statement P, and this is called as Q. Is that okay? Are you guys okay with that? So what do we have? We have if P, then Q. So this is called conditional statement. It is denoted by this. P implies Q. Got it? So now contrapositive means what? Contrapositive is an operation. You think of it like that. Okay. So contrapositive is some operation that you employ on a implication, on a conditional statement. So you have a conditional statement here. Contrapositive is an operation which you apply on this. So what is the contrapositive of this? The contrapositive of this is negation Q implies negation P. This is a formula, Shweta. You need to memorize this. Okay. So this is the contrapositive of that. So now let's find out what is negation Q. Negation Q means what? Negation Q means I have to take the negative of this. So there what is given? X belongs to A is given. I'll take X not belongs to A. Now and is given. When I negate and, it will become or. Then you have X belongs to B. If I negate it, it will become what? X does not belong to B. So this is negation Q. So this, if P, then Q, right? So if negation Q, then negation P. So if this, then negation P. What is negation P? Negation P is negation of the first statement. So negation of first statement is what? X does not belong to A intersection B. That's it, over. So that is your option B. Did you all like it? Was it interesting? Did you all like it? Geeta, VIT Vellore, you need to write VIT entrance exam. It is already over, I guess. It is already over, Geeta. The admissions are also over. Okay. Vaishnav, fantastic. Viper, yes Viper, tell me what is your doubt. Shall we move forward? Exactly. You're right, Clay Tsunami. So Atharv, so whenever you have a conditional statement, right? Conditional statement means what? If P, then Q. So that is denoted by this symbol. P implies Q. So when you say P implies Q, the contrapositive of it, it is a defined formula. The contrapositive of P implies Q is nothing but negation Q implies negation P. Are you all clear? Negation Q implies negation P. So what is negation Q? Negation Q means negative of this statement. Negative of this statement I found out. Then negation P means negative of this statement, that also I found out, and I combined both of them. Are you all clear with it? Did you all like it? Fantastic. So people, with that, we will go to the next call. The next question, please try to solve it. Everybody, come on guys. It is a very interesting question. I'm sure all of you can crack it. Can we still apply if we get good marks in boards? Yes, Inala, you can apply again. You can try. 4 marks for free. Exactly, Saransh. But you have to be careful, Saransh, because it's very easy to go wrong. Okay. Fantastic. No Rishi Adi, I don't know, man. I am not sure about. Who is that? I have no idea. Very good, Saransh. Fantastic. It's a previous year's question. Shakti, I am not sure, Shakti. I will let you know. I will check it out and I will tell you guys. Okay, by next class. Yes, Atharv. Yes, Atharv. It is only for conditional statements. Contrapositive is only for conditional statements. Yes, Inala. Inala, it will be open, Inala. There are lots of ways in which you can get into VIT as well later on if you have no other choice. Okay, but right now I would say focus on doing your JEE Mains well. That is what you have in front of you. So do that well. Hello, MJ Music. Very nice to see you. Welcome. Great. So people, what is the answer? Zain Nisa says C. Vaishnav says C. Shruti says C. Everybody says C. But are you guys correct? Let's check it. Are you all ready? So first of all, let me find out what is f of 2. So f of 2 is what? F of 2 is equal to f of 1 plus 1. So it's going to be equal to f of 1 into f of 1. So that is equal to f of 1 is what? 2. So 2 into 2, it will be 2 square. Now what is f of 3? F of 3 is equal to f of 1 plus 2. So it's going to be f of 1 into f of 2. So that's going to be equal to 2 into 2 square, which is 2 power 3. So f of 4 will be what? F of 4 will be f of 2 into f of 2. F of 2 plus 2, right? So that is going to be f of 2 into f of 2. So that's going to be 2 power 4. So from here, what can I say? I can say f of x is equal to 2 power x. Did you like it? How many of you enjoyed it? Till here, by pattern, can I say that? Was it easy question? Everybody, please check it out. Every single boy and girl, please try it out. I want you guys to let me know whether you're following it, whether you're liking it, whether you understood what I did over here. Everybody, please feel free to ask your doubts. Feel free to let me know if you're able to follow. Cool? All of you cool with it? Great job, guys. Okay, great. Now, so this is what? F of a plus r will be 2 to the power a plus r. And I have to sum it up from r equal to 1 to r equal to n. So that will be equal to what? 2 to the power a plus 1 plus 2 to the power a plus 2 plus 2 to the power a plus 3 and all the way up to 2 to the power a plus n. Is that correct? How many of you understood that? Are you all cool with that? So this is your summation that you want to find out. So can I take 2 to the power a common? can I take 2 to the power a common? So if I take 2 to the power a common, I get 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3 till 2 to the power n. So that is a GP. So GP summation, can you all do that? Very simple. So S is equal to 2 power a into GP summation is what? GP summation is, what do you have? A into R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So that's your formula. So let's erase it. Then what will you have? You will have S is equal to 2 to the power a into 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1. So these two are equal. So can I compare these two with 16? So you have 2 to the power a plus 1 is equal to 16. 2 to the power a plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 4. So a is equal to 3. Is that okay? Everybody? Is that okay? Are you all cool with it? Did you like it? So Tamina, I got this sequence by taking 2 to the power a common. So if you take 2 to the power a common, Tamina, you will be left out with 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3 and so on till 2 to the power n. It's a very simple observation. You write it down, Tamina. Okay, you have to solve it along with me, then you will be able to follow. So first, Tamina, I wrote what is f of a plus r. Then I observed every term has 2 to the power a common. So I took it separately outside, Tamina. Then I wrote all the other terms. When I wrote all the other terms, I saw that this is in GP, geometric progression. Then I simplified it. Did you like it? Are you all cool with that? Then why did we find the result 2 to the power x? Atharv, I used it now, man. That's why I want you to follow, right? Atharv, what is f of a plus r? How did I write it as 2 to the power a plus r? Did I write it like that by Gyan? Did I write it directly by seeing the solution or what? I solved it, right? F of x is equal to 2 power x. So f of a plus r, we substituted 2 to the power a plus r after I got that. Otherwise, I cannot do it, na? Okay, cool. So people, shall we move forward? Everybody? So shall I move forward? Did you all like it? Yes, Sai Nikhilesh, I've already done one video on PNC and probability. Please check it out, Sai Nikhilesh. You will enjoy it. I have done many videos in this channel. If you have time, check it out. Maybe they can help you. Okay. Yes, Clay Tsunami. That's why I'm talking soft. I'm talking softly today because I want to take care of my throat, because I want to be here for long. Fantastic. Very good, Rishyadi. Great. So people, this is the next question from areas chapter. I hope everybody will solve it. Everybody go for it. Come on, guys. Sujal, what happened, man? Sujal, it's very natural for students to feel that. Many people feel lost. Many people feel like you don't know things. You are forgetting things. But it's very natural. Sujal, the best way to get over it is write a test series. Write a good test series. You will automatically get over it. Got it? And it is very normal. Everybody goes through it. So you're not alone, Sujal. Don't ever feel bad. Okay? You are doing great. But don't let it pull you down. Don't let it demotivate you or move you away from your goal. Got it? So please work hard and do well. I wish you will achieve what you want. Okay? Great. So people, are you all done? Great. So let's solve it, guys. What do we have? What is this? This is a parabola. This is a circle. So let me draw the circle first. So this is a circle with radius root 2. So the circle will look like this. Yeah? Radius is root 2 comma 0 and parabola is y square is less than x. So parabola will be like this. Is that correct? So what region we want? We want this region, right? We want this region. Is that okay with everybody? All of you understood this? This is the first part. This is the first part. Did you all get this? I want you to let me know. If you got this wrong, then nothing can be done. You cannot solve it. How many of you understood this? How many of you drew the figure correctly? Music, MJ music, AC is there, man. I am not sweating. I am all right. Okay, Sharath, very good. Geeta, fantastic. Everybody has got it? Can you all give me a yo? Everybody, fantastic. Fantastic job, guys. So nothing, people, I just drew this circle. So less than equal to 2 means inside the circle. And this is a parabola, and y square equal to x parabola will look like this. Rightward opening parabola. Less than equal to x means inside the parabola. So it should be inside the parabola, inside the circle. So it is this black color region. It is this black color region. Are you all cool with it? Now let's complete it. Okay, everybody listen carefully. I'm going to solve it in a unique manner. First, let's get the point of intersection. Can we all do that? So how do you get the point of intersection? You solve the circle and the parabola. You solve the circle and the parabola. So when I solve it, what will I get? I'll get x square plus x is equal to 2. So x will be equal to plus 1 or minus 2. Is that correct? But can x be negative? X cannot be negative. So this is wrong. Only x equal to 1 is possible. So if x is equal to 1, y is also 1. If x is equal to 1, y can be minus 1. These are the 2 points of intersection. How many of you understood that? Did you all like it? How many of you understood that? Are you all okay with it, my dear boys and girls? Very good, very good, very good. You guys are absolutely awesome. Okay? Fantastic, guys. You are all absolutely perfect. Yes, Shreyash, we can do that. How x equal to 1? Ritish, solve it, man. Please solve it, Ritish. That much you should know, na? Are you from 10th standard? Ritish, if you are from 10th standard, then this video is too early for you. Okay? Because I think 10th standard students these days know how to solve quadratic equations. So if you are from 9th or 8th standard, this video is not for you. This is only for 2021 batch. Got it? So you can maybe follow it later on when you are ready for the exam. Got it? So people, now let's try to solve it. What do we have here? We have the area of shaded region. That is what we want to find out. Are you all clear? So let's get started. Area is equal to what? So people, we are all so used to finding area with respect to x-axis. We are all so used to finding area with respect to x-axis. But you know what now I'm going to do? I'm going to find the area with respect to your y-axis. Because that is a bit easier in this question. Okay, so what is this function? This function is x is equal to square root of 2 minus y square. And this function parabola is x is equal to y square. So what I'm going to do is, people please listen carefully. I'm going to find this area and I'm going to multiply by 2. Can I do that? Because it's a symmetric figure. It is a symmetric figure. So can I say this blue area I will find out and then I'll multiply by 2. Can I say that? So I can write this as twice of integral. The y coordinate here is y equal to 0 and the y coordinate at the top is y equal to 1. So you go from 0 to 1, right function minus left function. Okay, so it is going to be always right function. It is going to be always right function minus left function. What is the right side function? Right side function is this one. So it's going to be root of 2 minus y square minus left function. What is left function? Y square. So this integral is your answer. Can you finish it off? Was this easy? Y minus 2 is not taken because Temina, you see the figure. Are they intersecting at minus 2? You see the figure, Temina. Are they intersecting at minus 2? No, they are not. No, they are not intersecting at minus 2. So that is why I neglected minus 2. Are you all clear with it? Upper curve minus lower curve. Upper curve minus lower curve is when you use x-axis. Right curve minus left curve is when you use y-axis. So this should be dy. Okay, this should be dy. I am evaluating with respect to the y-axis. So you will do right curve minus left curve. Very good concept. I hope you guys understood it. Okay. Did you all understand it? Fantastic, guys. Perfect. So this you can solve it. This is a formula, guys. So for this you need to use the formula root of a square minus x square. What is the formula? Root of a square minus x square is a by 2 into root of a by 2 or x by 2. It's x by 2, right? X by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. So that's the formula. Please use that and then solve it. Okay. Everybody please solve it, guys. Everybody try it out, finish it off and let me know what is the answer. Then we'll move forward. Okay. Great. So people, if you have any doubt, let me know. I'll try to help you. How do we determine upper curve and lower curve? Kirtana, upper curve and lower curve you will use when you are trying to find out area with respect to x-axis. I'll teach you, Kirtana. Very simple. Okay. Because you guys are not aware of the basics. Let me repeat it. So if you have something like this, let's say, Kirtana, you have, let's say, a curve like this, let's say, and then this is f of x, okay? This is f of x. And let's say you have g of x like this. So this is your g of x. Now, Kirtana, let's say you want to find out this area. Let's say you want to find out this area. How will we do this? I'll teach you that. Listen very, very carefully, okay? Let's say you want to find out this area. First of all, Kirtana, there are two ways to do it. Either you can do it with respect to y-axis or you can do it with respect to x-axis. So in this question, it is easier with respect to x-axis. So let's do it with respect to x-axis, what you guys are used to, what you guys are already aware of. Okay. So let's say this point is A and let's say this point is B. Got it? So I want to find out the area of shaded region. So this area is given by A to B, left to right, A to B, upper function minus lower function. What is upper function here, Kirtana? Upper function is f of x minus lower function is g of x, right? Into d of x. Are you clear with it? So this is the way to do it. Are you happy with it? Did you all enjoy it now? Got it? Very good, very good. Brilliant, brilliant. Zain, Nisa, very good Zain, Nisa. Saransh, very good Saransh. Did you get it, Kirtana? Now, there is another way to do area questions, Kirtana. That is with respect to your y-axis. So for that, let me take a different example. So let me take the example what we did just now. Okay. So like that we had a parabola like this. Isn't that right, Kirtana? So Kirtana, what I did was, I tried to evaluate this area. Okay. I tried to evaluate this area. Now I'm going to do it with respect to the y-axis. Okay. So now when you do it with respect to y-axis, Kirtana, you need to know the starting y coordinate and your ending y coordinate. You need to know starting y coordinate till your ending y coordinate. That is what I did. Okay. So I took y equal to 0, Kirtana, that is the starting y coordinate, and the upper portion is y equal to 1, which is the ending y coordinate. Got it? So now you need to integrate it from starting y coordinate to highest y coordinate and right minus left. X-axis, what did we do? Upper minus lower. Correct, na? I told you just now. Upper function minus lower function. But when you do with respect to y-axis, Kirtana, you should do right function minus left function and you should write the function in terms of y. Okay? You should write the function in terms of y. So here it is a circle, na, Kirtana. So circle is this. So you have x square plus y square equal to 2. So you need to write it in terms of y. So x is equal to root of 2 minus y square, na? So that is the function. You need to write the function in terms of y, Kirtana. That is also very important. Because when you are doing with respect to y-axis, the formula is x dy. The formula is x dy when you are doing with respect to x-axis. Are you all clear? So what is x, Kirtana? X is the x coordinate. So x is what? For the circle, right side function. Right side function, circle, x coordinate is root of 2 minus y square. So that is what I wrote, 2 minus y square. So that is right. Minus left, Kirtana. So minus of left. What is left? Left is x is equal to y square. Parabola, na? X equal to y square. So left is x equal to y square. I already have x in terms of y. So that is y square dy. This is what I wrote. This is what I wrote. Okay. So it is just twice of this because this is symmetric. So this into 2 will give you the total area. Did you all like it? Are you all happy with it? Shall I move forward? Very good. So I have attached the solutions. I hope you guys can solve it after this. So after this also guys, you need to do it. So the answer is option D. I'm glad many of you have tried it and many of you have got it. Zaim Niza, I think you didn't multiply by 2. So all those who said option C, I think you forgot to multiply by 2. There is a 2 outside. So don't forget that. Multiply by 2, your option C will now change to option D. That is the right answer. Cool. Did you all enjoy it? Very good, Gopi Krishna. So people, let's go forward. We don't have time. We will go to the next question. Everybody please do it. Every single person in the class. I want all of you to try it out. Very good. So this is the next question. Again, a simple question. I think this everybody should be able to answer. In case you have a doubt, you can stop me and ask me. Tricks not to forget chemistry. Revise every day. Meghna Chowdhury, welcome Meghna. Very nice to have you. MSV, very good MSV. I think you might be right. But are you sure about it? Because odd number will have higher probability. MSV, odd number will have higher probability. So think about it. Think about it. Let me see who's correct. Very good. Akash, please refresh your page, Akash. Ramcharan, are you sure, Ramcharan? Because guys, I think the answer is option D. Okay. See, first of all, you have a 2-digit number and you are selecting the digits from 1 to 9. Okay. Are you all clear? Such that the sum is even. How can the sum is even? The sum is even because both the numbers are even, both the digits are even, or if both the digits are odd. Is that correct? Both the digits are even or both the digits are odd. Is that correct? Everybody cool with it? So both the digits are even, both the digits are odd. How many of you understood that? Can you all give me a yes? Because see, you are choosing from 1 to 9. You are choosing 2 digits such that when you add them, the sum is even. So if the sum is even, that can be only possible when both of them are even or when both of them are odd. Very simple. So how can I choose 2 even numbers from here? So when you have 1 to 9, you have 5 odd numbers and 2 even numbers. 4 even numbers, right? So the number of ways in which you can do this is 5C2 or 4C2. So this is the total number of ways. How many of you got that? So this is the total number of ways in which it can happen. What can happen? The sum can be even. Can you all please go through it and tell me? See, 5C2 is the number of ways of choosing 2 odd numbers. So totally there are 5 odd numbers, right? Because 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5 odd numbers. So from 5, I can choose 2. Are you all cool with it? Fantastic. And the second possibility is both are even. So I'm choosing even numbers. So we have 4 even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 4 even numbers. From that I can choose 2. So the total number of ways in which it can happen is 16. Because 5C2 is 10, 4C2 is 6. So 10 plus 6 is 16. But out of that, what is the probability that both are odd? Both are odd means it is this probability. So it is 10 divided by 10 plus 6. That's the answer. So that is why option D is correct. Did you all love it? How many of you enjoyed it? Tushar? Yes, Tushar. I will take the Menti quiz. Don't worry about it. I will definitely do the Menti quiz. You guys will enjoy it. I guarantee you all about it. Okay. So shall we move forward, boys and girls? Everybody, are you all ready for it? Please let me know quickly. Any doubts, any questions that you want me to answer? Shall I move forward? Very good. Fantastic. Sailaja, I am not worried about the answer, Sailaja. If you got the concept, I am happy. Did you understand the concept, Sailaja? I hope you liked it. Shruti, we will move forward. You can pull the video back and watch it, Shruti, because we have many more questions left out and we don't have time. So let's try to move faster. Got it? So please try to do this, guys. It's a very beautiful question. So I will directly solve it. So this is using your Lagrange's mean value theorem. And such questions are very tough in exam. Students find these kind of questions very tough. They usually think it is very difficult. They will leave it and they'll go away. Okay. So let me check it. MSV, maybe you are right. We will check it. Prashant, hello Prashant. Chinnu Gamer, welcome. So let's get started. What do we have here? LMVT says that f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus A when you have a continuous and differentiable function. So our function is differentiable and continuous, obviously, right? If it is differentiable, it has to be continuous. So this satisfies LMVT. So this is what we have. So now I will take A as 1, B as 6. So I'll take B as 6 and A as 1. So I'll get 6 minus 1 is equal to f dash of C. Is that okay? And now we know that for any x, we know that this C lies between what? This C lies between 1 to 6. Is that correct? So for any x, f dash of x is greater than 2. So can I say this value will be greater than or equal to 2? So just solve it over. So cross multiply this, you will get f of 6 is greater than or equal to f of 1 plus 2 into 5, 10. F of 1 is how much? F of 1 is minus 2. So f of 6 is greater than or equal to minus 2 plus 10. So answer is option B. Did you like it? Very good. Direct application of LMVT. Yes, LMVT is a very common question in JEE Mains. Guys, it is a very high weightage topic. Don't forget that. So you can get questions from here. Are you all clear? Very good, MSV. Fantastic. Yes, Shruti, you can get questions from this. Why not? Why not? Okay. So this is the next one. This is from Newton-Leibniz formula. How many of you are aware of Newton-Leibniz formula? LMVT full form is Lagrange's mean value theorem. Lagrange's mean value theorem. Shruti, yes, these kind of questions can come in your exam. Okay. So people, how do you solve this question? Directly differentiated. F dash of x is equal to what? Differentiation of E. E is a constant, 0. Plus differentiation of this. You have to use product rule. So first function into differentiation of second function. Differentiation of second function is what? 1 by x. Got it? 1 by x is the differentiation of second function, right? That's it. Minus, what will you have? So plus differentiation of first function into second function. What is that? ln of x by e. And then differentiation of this will be what? This is a integral. How do you differentiate an integral? Newton-Leibniz formula. How do you use Newton-Leibniz formula? Inside function with upper limit. Inside function with upper limit into derivative of upper limit, 1. And then inside function with lower limit into derivative of lower limit, which will be 0. So that is your differentiation. Now I got f dash of x. So f dash of x is equal to what? It is equal to 1 by x minus 1 minus ln x plus 1 plus f of x. Is that clear, everybody? So 1 and what else is that? Is that over? So 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. So I'll have f dash of x minus f of x is equal to 1 by x minus ln x. Till here, did you all like it, boys and girls? How many of you did you all enjoy it? I think you left E. Guys, come on. Guys, come on. It will get cancelled. I'll tell you. Wait. I'll tell you. So I did 1 minus x, right? 1 minus x into differentiation of ln x by e. So please do it, my dear legends, and tell me what is derivative of ln x by e. Derivative of ln x by e is ln x only. What are you doing? Because derivative of ln x by e, I can write it as ln x minus ln e. ln e is a constant. So derivative of ln x is 1 by x only. Are you clear now? So it is 1 by x only. I wrote correctly. I used the properties of log. I wrote ln x by e as ln x minus ln e. ln e is a constant, 1, right? So if I differentiate 1, it will be 0 only. So its derivative of ln x derivative is 1 by x. Are you all cool with it? Fantastic. Hello Varshini, very nice to see you here. Fantastic. Exactly, Sujal, you are absolutely right. Hello Zayed, welcome. Very good, Zaim, Nisaf, fantastic. So people, we will go forward. Now we have a linear differential equation. How many of you realize that? what I have here, such a beautiful question. You already have Newton-Leibniz formula, then you have linear differential equation. Why is it linear differential equation? Because what do you have here? Dy by dx is f dash of x minus f of x is y is equal to 1 by x minus ln x. Is that clear? So now, how do you solve it? You find the integrating factor. What is integrating factor? It is equal to e to the power integral minus 1 dx, which is equal to e to the power minus x. So if I do that, I'll get left hand side y e to the power minus x is equal to e to the power minus x into 1 by x minus ln x dx. Can you guys finish it off after this? Will you guys be able to do it after this? VIT CSE, Ridan, VIT CSE is better. VIT CSE is better, man, for sure. I would go for that if I were you. If I were you, I would go for that. Okay, so can you guys finish it off? After this, you will do it. Guys, after this also, it's not very simple. So you have to think and do it. You have to think and do it. It is not very easy after this also. You need to use your brain. Got it? By parts. You can even use e power x, f of x plus f dash of x formula. Okay, so I leave it to you. I hope you guys can complete it. Got it? So the complete solution is attached. The PDF will be given to you after the class. Narashima, I have attached all the solutions, man. So the PDF will be given to you after the class. So we have only 5 minutes left out. So I'll try to solve as many questions as possible so that later on you guys can try it on your own. Okay, so whenever you are given a product of matrices like this, guys, so you have many product, right? So you have to find a pattern. So first multiply these two. What will you get? 1 into 1, 1 plus 0. So you will get 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1, 3. 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 2, 0, 1 into 1. So this is the product. Then you have 1, 3, 0, 1. And what is this? This will get 1, 0, 1, 6. So what is happening? If I take the product of everything, I always get 1, 0, 1. Is that right? So only this term is important. Are you all clear? Only this term is important. How am I getting this term? How am I getting this term? This 3 came because it is 1 plus 2. How did this 6 come? 6 came because it is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So how will you get a number here? It is 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to n. So that is what is equal to 378. So what is 378? The sum of all the natural numbers from 1 to n. So n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 378. So you guys find out what is n. Over. Done. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Very good, Sharat. Very good, Chaitanya. So these things are very important. You have to be able to observe that in an exam, guys. You have to be able to observe that in an exam. Okay. And I'm so sorry I couldn't complete it. I think I was going very slow. Okay. So maybe I'll continue it some other day. Okay. And I will finish it off. Okay. I bought many good questions, guys. We were very slow, I think. Yeah. So this is a very good question. Okay. It's a very, very good question. Maybe I'll take it up in the next mock test. Okay. I'll take it up in the next mock test so that we can solve it. So it's already time. So Shreyas sir will be waiting for you. So maybe we'll continue in the next class. People, if you enjoyed the session, if you want to be a part of Vedantu's crash course, it is right now active. We will revise the entire syllabus in just 10 days. All the important stuff. So if you are 60 percentile, 70 percentile, 80 percentile, 50 percentile, then if you want to improve, then this might be a good opportunity. We give you assignment, we give you formula sheet, we will give you practice test series. All of this is possible in this particular course. Like I told you, assignments will be instantly evaluated and we have proven results also all over the country. So in case you are interested, please check it out. Thank you guys. I'm so glad I helped you and I'm so glad you all understood it. Okay. And I wish we could have completed it. But anyway, I'll bring it up in the next session. I will take for longer hours. I will take for longer hours so that we can talk, we can get all our doubts clarified. Is that okay? Guys, tomorrow 6 o'clock, don't forget coordinate geometry marathon session. Tomorrow 6 o'clock, coordinate geometry marathon session. Don't forget that. Okay. So people, if you're all interested, check out the crash course because right now this is probably the best investment that you can make. Bye, Tamilan. Thank you, man. Fantastic. So it is just 4,000 rupees. This is the price you have to pay. This is the coupon code. The link will be there in the description. We also have the JEE Mains test series going on currently. This is for people who have higher percentile. If you are 95 percentile and above, then test series alone is enough for you. If you are having 95 percentile and above, then test series alone is enough. You can manage with this. Are you all cool with it? Thank you, MSV. That is so kind of you, man. Will you be there in the crash course? Lakshmi, there are very experienced teachers in the crash course. I will not be taking. I am going to be a part of YouTube alone for now. Got it? So this is a test series. Narasimha, if you pay 40 rupees, we'll give you crash course first lecture 10 minutes. That you can watch. Okay. I'll get first 10 minutes of first lecture for 40 rupees. Okay. So guys, this is the test series. If you are interested, you guys can check it out. It is 800 rupees and it is starting from Monday. Okay. So that's about it. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel, and make sure you guys like and share the video as well. Okay. Thank you guys. So people, for those who are looking forward to join, I will just tell you how to access it so that you have no problem. So what you need to do is just go below the video. So this is a YouTube video, right? Just go below the video. So you see get JEE crash course is there. Click on that. So click on that. You see it started on 5th July. It goes on to 26th July. So click on buy now. When you click on buy now, it will become 4,000 rupees. So you get massive discount. So use it, and I hope you guys will secure whatever dream rank you want. Okay. Test series will be here. Test series is this, and that is for 800 rupees. So you have to use my coupon code. My coupon code is SJCC. If you use that, you will get it at a price of 800 rupees, the test series. Okay. So with that, we are done, guys. I hope all of you had fun. I love you all, and I hope to see you all again tomorrow in the marathon session. Both Wasim sir and myself are taking. And in the morning, you have logical reasoning by Shreyas sir. If you are interested in BITSAT, watch his lecture as well. Okay. So everybody, take care. All the very best. And I hope you enjoyed the session today. I hope you learned something useful. Use it and get better. Okay. All the very best. MSV, tomorrow my session is at 6 o'clock. Wasim sir is at 11:30. Shreyas sir is at 10 o'clock morning. Shreyas sir first, 10 o'clock morning. Wasim sir, 11:30. I'll be taking in the evening at 6 o'clock. Okay. So take care. All the best. Love you all. Do well and be happy. Bye-bye.